Hello friends, myself Rasmi Patel. Today we learn for class 10, chapter number 2, Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ MCQ निकाले, तो आज हम इस वीडियो में MCQ लर्न करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट MCQ, when was the inauguration day? I repeat the question, when was the inauguration day? Option A 10th May, option B 10th March, option C 20th May, option D 20th March. The correct answer is option A 10th May. Correct answer is 10th May. Option A is right answer. Next question. It was a celebration of South African first dash government. First dash government. I repeat the question. It was a celebration of South Africa's first dash government. Option A, authoritarian, racial. Option B, democratic, non-racial. Option C, democratic, racial. Option D, monarch, non-racial. The correct answer is option B, democratic non-racial. It was the celebration of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. Question number 3. How many deputy presidents were elected? I repeat the question. How many deputy presidents were elected? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 1, option D none. The correct answer is option A. 2 deputy presidents were elected. Next question. Why did other countries broke off diplomatic relations with South Africa? I repeat the question. Why did other countries broke off diplomatic relations with South Africa? Option A, white rules. Option A, white rulers. Option B, other countries are racial. Option C, it is a poor country. Option D, apartheid policy. Here is correct answer is option D, apartheid policy. Next question. What change brought international leader to South Africa? I repeat the question. What change brought international leaders to South Africa? Option A, end of apartheid. Option B, humanity. Option C, peace. Option D, trade negotiations. The correct answer is option A, end of apartheid. End of apartheid. Next question. We thank all of our distinguished international guests for having come to take possessions with the people of our country of what is, after all, a common victory for dash. I repeat the question. We thank all of our distinguished international guests for having come to take possessions with the people of our country of what is, after all, a common victory for. Given option is justice. Option B, peace. option C, human dignity, option D, all of the above. I repeat the option. Option A, justice, option B, peace, option C, human dignity, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. What was it that the nation needed to be liberated from? I repeat the question. What was it that the nation needed to be liberated from? Option A, poverty. Option B, gender discrimination. Option C, deprivations. Option D, all of the above. The here is correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. We have achieved our political emancipation. What is the meaning of emancipation? Emancipation, sorry. I repeat the question. We have achieved our political emancipation. What is the meaning of emancipation? Option A, freedom from restriction. Option B, enslavement. Option C, slavery. Option D, both 2 and 3 elements, both B and C. The correct answer is option A, freedom from restriction. Next question. The spectacular array of South African jets was a display of. I repeat the question. The spectacular array of South African jets was a display of. Option A, military's precision. Option B, military's loyalty to democracy. Option C or D. Option C, none of the above, or option D, both A and B. Okay. Here correct answer is option D. Okay, type mistake. The correct answer is option D, both A and B. Next question देखते हैं. What color does the new South African flag possess? What color does the new South African flag possesses? Option A, black, red, green, blue and gold. Next, black, red, yellow, blue and gold. Option C, orange, black, yellow, blue and silver. Option D, black, blue, violet, saffron and green. The correct answer is option A, black, red, green, blue and gold. Correct answer is option A, black, red, green, blue and gold. Next question. The structure they create formed the basis of one of the harshest, most inhumane societies, the world has ever known. What structure is Mandela talking about? I repeat the question. The structure they created formed the basis of one of the harshest, most inhuman societies the world has ever known. What structure is Mandela talking about? Option A, racial dominations against the black second. Option B, poverty and suffering. Option C, discrimination against the poor. Option D, oppressions of women. The correct answer is option A, racial dominations against the black skinhead. Next question. Whom did Mandela wanted to thank but couldn't? Whom did Mandela wanted to thank but couldn't? Option A, his family. Option B, white rulers. Option C, African patriot who no longer existed. Option D, military. The correct answer is option C, African patriots who no longer existed. Next question. What unintended effect did the decades of oppression and brutality had? Option A, created men of extraordinary courage, wisdom and generosity. Option B, poverty and suffering. Option C, boycott from foreign nation. Option D, both B and C, both B and C. Correct answer is option A, created man of extraordinary courage, wisdom and generosity. Fourteenth one. According to Mandela, what is the greatest wealth of a nation? Repeat the question. According to Mandela, what is the greatest wealth of a nation? Option A, mineral. Option B, gems. Option C, diamonds. Option D, people. The correct answer is people. Next question. What did Mandela learn? What did Mandela learn about courage? I repeat the question. What did Mandela learn about courage? Option A, it is absence of fear. Option B, it is the triumph over fear. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. 15 is correct answer is option B. It is the triumph over fear. Triumph means victory. What are man's obligations in life? I repeat the question. What are man's obligations in life? Option A, obligations to people. Obligations to family. Option C, obligations to God. Option D, both A and B. I repeat the option. Option A, obligations to people. Option B, obligations to family. Option C, obligations to God. And option D, both A and B. And the correct answer is option D, both A and B. Obligations to people and family. Next question. Why were two national anthems sung? Why were two national anthems sung? Option A, to impunity. B. To mark the end of racial discriminations. Option C. To mark the end of gender discrimination. Option D. Both A and B. Both A and B. Correct answer is option D. Both A and B. A to imply unity and B to mark the end of racial discrimination. Okay. Next question. Eighteenth one. What comes more naturally to heart according to Mandela? Repeat the question. What comes more naturally to heart according to Mandela? Option A. Hatred. Option B. Unity. Option C. Love. Option D. Racial discrimination. The correct answer is option C. Love. What comes more naturally to heart according to Mandela? The correct answer is love. Next question. What realizations did Mandela have of his boyhood freedom? I repeat the question. What realizations did Mandela have of his boyhood freedom? Option A. It is just an illusion. Option B. He was born free. Option C. Freedom was meant for kids. Option D. He had no realizations. The correct answer is option A. Okay. Illusions means not permanent, temporary. The option is a correct answer. It is just an illusions. Next question. What began Mandela's hunger for freedom? I repeat the question. What began Mandela's hunger for freedom? Option A. The fact that it had already been taken away from him. Option B. His obligations toward people. Option C. His obligations toward family. Option D. He was born to fight. The correct answer is option A. The fact that it had already been taken away from him. Next question. Which party did Mandela join? Which party did Mandela join? Option A. Indian National Congress. Option B. African National Congress. Option C. National African Party. Option D. He did not join any party. The correct option is option B. African National Congress. Next question. A man who takes away another man's freedom is dash. I repeat the question. A man who takes away another man's freedom is dash. Option A. White. Option B. A prisoner of hatred. Option C. Criminal. Option D. Rude. The correct answer is option B. A prisoner of hatred. Next question. Who according to Mandela is not free? Who according to Mandela is not free? Option A. Oppressor. Option B. Oppressed. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of the above. Here correct answer is option C in last paragraph. Okay. This question. The oppressor or oppressed both are responsible for that. Next question. How did Mandela's hunger for freedom change his life? I repeat the question. How did Mandela's hunger for freedom change his life? Option A. Turn it from frightened to bold. Option B. Turn from turn it from abiding attorney to a criminal. Option C, turn it a life-loving man to live like a monk. Options D, type mistake है. Options D, all of the above. And correct answer is option लास्ट वन, ऑप्शन सी लिखा है वो, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. ओके, ध्यान रखना ऑप्शन डी है, टाइप मिस्टेक है, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डज डेप्थ ऑफ ऑपरेशंस क्रिएट? व्हाट डज डेप्थ ऑफ ऑपरेशंस क्रिएट? ऑप्शन ए ऑपरेशन, बी हाइट्स ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स, ऑप्शन सी पॉवर्टी, option D lack of freedom. The correct answer is option B, heights of character. Here our MCQ question is complete. You note down all the MCQs in your notebook. I will check your note when we will we meet. Thank you for watching this video.